Okay, folks, here we are, Tuesday, 21st of February 2023, just after President's Day yesterday, break in the markets for us all, and what a nice day we had. So, back on the markets here, and quite a bit of downside coming in. First, doors here down. Well, we're down only 0.5% now on the DAX. We were down about zero point 0.9 DAX. We're down 0.75 on SPOOs and 0.58 on the Dow, just coming off lows here. Cable also pressing up to highs here on the session with a beat on the services PMIs. We got a 53 beat on 51, prior 50.8. And the composite, actually, no, sorry, that was the Euro services. So I actually don't have my composites for the UK here. What do we get? Beat 53 on 49. So UK services composite or UK composite PMIs 53 beat on 49s on prior 48.5. And the manufacturing beat 49.2 on expectations 47.5 and the prior 47. All right. So big up push here on cable. But what I want to look at here is equities. I actually want to look at the DAX as a sort of a bellwether for equities, US equities. Stuck in the range here, working off of that closing price from a couple of weeks ago, the 30th of Jan. That's 15,509s, and selling down this morning and finding the bottom of that range, 317s. I've been selling this down here. So we're really kind of stuck in this range essentially, but I'm trying to play for a breakout. So yeah, I've taken something out here, most of it out on 317s or down to 317s, and then just playing for a bit of capitulation down. Should we get it? Not going to hold this above 509s at all. And so it's very much consolidating between 509s and 317s here on DAX. And so as we look to the US markets and the S&P, for example, here, you can see that we're not going so much sideways, but we're kind of bull flagging still on the S&P. Now, I know this is kind of a messy chart to look at, but you can see the bull flag here. So even though we would sell down perhaps on like the 40s here, 43s, I think there are buyers here that can then just lift us back across. And for me, generally, I think we are actually going to end up breaking out to the upside out of this bull flag channel that we're in right now. So, I'd be buyers on everything above 40.20s, to be honest, and then look for get out of those longs as we break out towards 42.07s over the coming weeks, I'd say. So that's kind of, it on the S&P. So then if we look to the 60-minute chart, you can see Friday we were looking for, and I'll show you the Dow now in a second. We had a lovely, lovely trade on the Dow on Friday, or Thursday. Friday. So, look, we were looking for buying on 40.23s on Friday. Didn't get it. But I think, now if we get it, I'd still like the longs. I also like the longs from down anywhere in here, to be honest. I'll really just firm that up to be right in here. It's actually probably going to be right in here when it comes time. Looking for longs to then transition across this bull flag. Okay, so it's as simple as that, really. Here's our mega downtrend, right? And we've spent a huge amount of time broken out above there. We were looking for shorts there as well on Friday. Didn't get that at all. But what we did get on the Dow, we did this. The guys in the room, thankfully, I'm not doing this on my own, and people can't be set on Monday morning refereeing this. I was looking for shorts here in this level area here on Dow against the 33,818 Friday. Came in here, boom, down we go, just below VWAP, but then rallied back to here into the close. But really nice short opportunities for the guys in the Duggan Capital room here on Friday on that area. Back to VWAP, and the Dow being the Dow and equities being the equities, to just barcoded up back on the rest of the session. So again, I was looking for down around 33,360s on Friday. I'm still looking for that area to trade for the decent level area for longs. Shorts, probably somewhere still around 818s on the Dow. So we'll have a look at that. We will update this on our 145 team call. But these markets are pretty nice at the moment, I have to say. Taking along from around 46s on Bund here, looking for higher prices back inside of P-Val here on Bund. So, and we're just kind of hovering around in a former gap on T-notes here as well. What else do I like? Nothing really. Nothing. Something to look at is the VIX here. So if you're trading VIX, I think there's some nice opportunities. Here's a daily bar on the VIX, and we had this big important buying day here on when was this? This was Monday, Friday, Thursday. Big buying day here for us on the VIX, and I think that's been quite important. Yeah, we've pushed into this known resistance at 22 spot quarter. Here we are in the 60 minute. You can see this morning pushed in here and then selling down, coming in on that level. So look, I think we can do a lot more with the VIX. I think we can pull back to like the around 2160s VIX and then find some like really strong buying. So I think there is more downside to be had on equities through the US session. I think the VIX is basically going to take the rest of the day to pull back to, well, between now and the US session, to pull back to 2160s, find that support and then keep going up. Make a new high throughout the rest of this week. And so you're looking at above 2240s there for that new high. All right, that's it for me for another pre-US session. Have a good one.
Apollo 11, this is Houston. You are confirmed to go for orbit. Roger.